Okay, go ahead. Get the cat. Fine. Love that cat. She wants that cat. She says that's her cat. She's not going to let you have the cat, Patrick. Look at her racing away with the cat. Don't let her fall into that fireplace now. Don't. Just let her have the cat. Let go of the cat. I don't want her tugging and falling. Patrick, don't yank it from her. Let her have it. She's just a baby.
What's mine?
Be careful now. It doesn't take much to knock her down. She took that cat. Whoa, now. You okay, Mace? See what I'm talking about, Patrick? Macy, you okay? Come here, darling. Come here, Macy, honey. You all right? Come here. You see what I'm talking about? It doesn't take much to knock her down. You got to be real careful. She's just a baby.
Just walking backwards.
Yeah. You're trying to get that cat from me, man. She gonna get that cat. Just let her have it. Let her have the cat. I think she done got that cat. That's a big old cat for you to be lugging around, Macy.
Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah. The bear's riding the horse, huh?